everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download music for offline listening in the Spotify desktop app. This is perfect if you wanna listen to music without using the internet or while traveling. First, open the Spotify desktop app on your PC. Next, open any playlist or album you want to download. Near the top of the playlist or album, click the download button. The Spotify now downloads all the songs to your computer. Wait until you see the green arrow icon, which means the download is complete. To test, you can disconnect from the internet or turn on airplane mode if you're using a laptop. Now try playing the songs again. As you can see, the music still works even without an internet connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching.